Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using Deep UK products. But before we start, I just want to quickly mention that I do have a discount code on Deep UK website. So if you use Grace20, you will get 20% discount on your total purchases. I will be putting all the information in the description box below. So now into the video, here are the powders that I will be using today. And here are the close-up looks. So the first one is in the shade Lemon and Lime. And this is one of their newest foil milk bath collection. Next is in the shade Peach Bellini, and this is a solid bright orange shade. And for the liquids, I will be using my Deep UK base as well as the Activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying nail dehydrator on all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. You can also use acetone to dehydrate your nails. Next, I move on to my UNT peel-off base, and I will be applying this on all of my nails. This will just allow me for easy pop-off removal of my manicure, but obviously you don't need to use this if you want your manicure to last. Next, I move on to my base and my clear powder. So what I do is apply a thin layer of the base on my nail and then immediately dip my nail into the clear powder and then tap off the excess. So I will be applying one layer of clear on all of my nails. This will just build up the thickness of my nails. So after one coat of clear, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my colored powders. So first, I will be using my Peach Bellini on my pointy, pinky, and thumb. Since I applied one layer of clear powder underneath, so I'm only going to apply 2 coats of this colored powder. And also, this powder is very pigmented, so you definitely get the full opacity of this powder in just 2 coats. Also, if you are looking for a bright color powders, you should visit Deep UK website. They do have a lot of beautiful colors and very unique shades, so I will be putting their link in the description box below. So once I'm finished with the Peach Bellini, I move on to the next powder, which is Lemon and Lime. So first, I pour the powder into my container and then tap my container a little bit to move all the chunky fall on the surface. And then I move on to my powder application. So first, I apply a thin layer of the base on my nail, and then instead of dipping my nail, I lay my nail on top of the powder. So this method works for me if I'm using a powder with the chunky bits in it. So then I use toothpick to clean up around my cuticle area. And then I also use a little bit of activator to flatten up the foil, and then I brush up all the excess powder. So I will be applying 2 coats of this powder on my middle and ring nail. This powder is so beautiful. This reminds me so much of mojito drink. It's so pretty. So once I'm finished with the colored powders, I move on to my clear powder again. So what I do is just apply a thin layer of the base on my nail and then immediately dip my nail into the clear powder. So what it does is it will encapsulate your nails. This step is optional, but I highly recommend you do this, especially when you are using some chunky glitters on your nails. This will protect your colors and your design from filing and buffing. So once I'm finished with clear, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to the activator. So I spray generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. So after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera and then I brush off all the dust. And then I clean my nails with alcohol spray. You can also wash your hands if you want to. Next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe Top Coat. So I apply 2 coats of this on all of my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. This step is optional. You can always use your dip powder top coat if you want to. So once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil. And we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.